Back with the 2007 GSXR-750. So it was throwing a code, secondary throttle valves, which are these right here, the butterflies right here. This motor was bad and these weren't operating or actuating correctly. You can't buy this unit by itself unless you get it off of eBay or from a parts, like a junkyard or something like that. They try to make you buy this whole assembly, which is extremely expensive. And here's the part that went bad. And these are notorious for doing it. You can see this one cracked. And if you have any movement in here, usually it means that the switchboard on the inside is broken. And some people will wire it up so that these are open all the time, but it's still showing a code in the dash. And even with an ECU flash, we can't get rid of that code. The reason that we fixed it is because you want these secondary throttle plates to work properly, because it can affect your torque and how the bike responds to tuning.